My name is Tanim Rasul. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Ndax. Ndax is one of Canada's leading cryptocurrency trading platforms. We want to bring our brand to the broader tech world. Typically, we're focused on the cryptocurrency side, but as we expand our products, we want to make sure that we get our brand recognition to the broader tech environment. So many people here in Toronto, we want to make sure that they understand what Ndax does and how we're the most secure and safe place to get digital assets in Canada. It's not a coincidence that Bitcoin was created in 2008 at the end of the financial crisis. That was the first time people started to be a little bit skeptical about centralized institutions. A lot of people were hurt by auditing firms, central banks, and governments across the globe. And fast forward to 2024, and we've been hit with inflation in the Western world. And of course, across the globe, people have had the value of their currencies devalued by their central governments and debased. And people are starting to look at Bitcoin as a possible alternative. The proof is in the pudding. The ETF inflows that are in the US have shown the huge popularity of Bitcoin. And so people are starting to see the opportunity that Bitcoin creates for them, especially in those parts of the world where their financial institutions aren't as strong as maybe on the Western side. In 2019, we were here invited to be part of Collision as a beta company. Now we're a partner, right? So I'm super excited to go to the alpha and the beta sides and talk to all these new hungry entrepreneurs and see where they're going, what innovations they're bringing, and talking to those entrepreneurs, learning from those companies that are growing even bigger than us. That's what I'm most excited about.